Hey guys, welcome to Karan's Cuisine, and I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but that was because I was busy with my schoolwork, and I'm making a quick and easy rice uttapam for breakfast or lunch that kids can make for their parents who are very busy with online work. For this recipe, you're gonna need 2 rice cooker measuring cups of rice, or 1.5 cups normal customary measurement of rice, soaked for 2 to 4 hours in water, 2 medium potatoes boiled with the peel on and then peeled, 1 grated carrot, 1/3 chopped onion, half chopped capsicum, and a little bit of finely chopped ginger, and 1/2 cup of sour curd, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 2 teaspoons of cumin. The first step is to grind your rice with the curd, and you do not want to grind it with the water that you soaked it in. And you can add a little bit of lemon juice to normal curd to make it a little bit more sour. Now we grind it. Grinded the batter for about 3 minutes, and it got the smooth dosa batter consistency. And after you grind it, you should feel it to see if it's powdery or coarse. And if it is, you need to grind it a little bit more and add about 1 tablespoon of water, which is how much I added. Now we can mix it in with the other ingredients. Now mash up your boiled potatoes in the bottom of the container, like I have done over here. You can do it with a hand or a fork, whatever your choice is. Then mix in your rice batter. Now you can mix in your other ingredients once you got all the rice batter. Then add your flavoring. And my mom taught me this, but you have to crust the cumin a little when you're putting it in, because that gets all the good flavor that's inside it out into your batter. Now mix it until it's uttapam batter consistency. I've been mixing for about a minute now, and you can see how the consistency is once you've added all the vegetables. And you can add a little bit more vegetables, like coriander leaves too. That adds a good taste, but we don't have it at home. And to get it to the uttapam batter consistency, you need to get all the batter, and to do that, I added a little bit of water in my grinder, which had the batter, and then mixed it up so I could get everything. The batter is ready, and it took about 1/2 cup of water to get it to this consistency. And you can add your own vegetables anytime, like tomato, and I highly recommend adding coriander or cilantro if you have it, but you can also add your own customizable vegetables. And now I think my pan is ready. It was heated on medium, so now I can start making the first uttapam. I'm using my first uttapam, and there are 2 ways to make it. I'm using the way that requires less oil, because that's healthier. So first, just put like 1/2 spoon of oil on your medium heated pan, then move it around so the whole pan gets the oil. Then you put about 2 ladles of your uttapam batter and close the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. You have to spread it out to make this uttapam. The second way to make the uttapam is put more oil, about double that amount, and then you don't cover the lid. It has a new crispy taste, which might be better for the kids. It's been 1.5 minutes, and the uttapam has cooked well. Oh, that was a loud sound. So Now we can flip it over with a spatula. If you're doing the second way, it takes a little bit more time because the lid isn't closed, so the heat circulates more in the air. It takes about 3 minutes, but you can do that if you're not in a hurry. Now we wait about like 30 seconds until the bottom is cooked well as well. Now that the uttapam is all cooked, we can put it onto a plate and then it's ready to be served. And I think I forgot to mention this, but each round of batter, I mean like each unit that I made, it takes about 10 to 12 uttapams, which means that it can feed like a family of 4 for one meal. Now we can work on the second uttapam. Second uttapam is ready for flipping. And you can see that it's like cooking a little bit. It's not like battery. Move the spatula all the way through and then flip to your left. It's been about 1 minute of cooking on the bottom. So now I can put it on the plate with the other first dosas. They're looking good. Okay. Now I can do all the other dosas. I'm back for the tasting. I've finished all my uttapams. I'm going to taste it with some mango pickle and some pali chutney, which is my favorite chutney. It's really flavorful, and it will be even more flavorful if you add some coriander leaves. Like and subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to check out some of my old content and stay tuned for me posting my new content.